In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a keyless entry remote to your Chevy Silverado. For this procedure, your truck needs to already have power locks. If it doesn't, there's no way that this can work because you need an electronic motor to operate the locks as you press the buttons. So let's get started. So the first step to program this is to close all doors and lock them. So let's do that and lock the truck. Now with the truck locked, put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position. Do not start the vehicle, just turn it to the on position. So 2 clicks. Accessory, on. Now take this programmer and stick it into the OBD2 slot, which is located underneath the dash here. With it in there, wait for an orange light or a chime, which it just did. As you can see, the truck is also telling me on the dash that it's ready to be programmed. Now the truck is ready to learn the new remote. To do this, you're going to want to hold the lock and unlock button. You should hold this for about 15 seconds or until you hear some chimes or a buzzer, or when the door locks cycle. So either of those 3 things can happen. That's how you know you can let go. As you could hear, the door lock cycled and it beeped, so we're good to go. Let's wait 60 seconds until we hear a solid beep from the programmer and then unplug it from the OBD2 port. There's the buzzer. Let's unplug it. Shut the ignition off. And now our remote should work. There we go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.